two different people. All right. So number 8 is how to get credit mixture.
Credit mixture is basically just having different forms of credit, because different forms of credit affect your credit in different ways.
Most definitely.
Credit cards affect your credit different from an auto loan. Yep. Auto loans affect your credit a little bit different from a mortgage, and personal loans affect your credit a little bit different. So having a combination of those things is kind of like what we say about investing. You want to diversify. You want to have some form of diversification. You want to have not all your eggs in one basket, because, you put yourself in a position of losing all your eggs. Same kind of thing works with credit, but it wants you to mix it up and have different things to show that, look, not only am I good at swiping the credit card, I'm able to keep my credit utilization down below 30%, 20%. I also pay my auto loan off in time properly, and I've paid off a car. I paid off 2 cars. I'm also paying my mortgage. I'm also paying back this personal loan that I took out. So all of those things give them another perspective of how to judge how well you are with utilizing your credit. So that credit mixture gives you a mixture of things that they can judge, which heightens your credit score, because the more things you have, the more diversified you are, the more you look like a credible spender. So those things all combined heighten your credit. So credit mixture is a key piece. A lot of people miss that, but it's a percentage that goes into affecting your credit score.
Yeah, most definitely. Like you said, it's like diversifying.
Yep.
What we say about an investment portfolio. So it's almost the same. It's definitely different assets to it, y'all. I'm telling you, the credit game is crazy. All right. Sometimes I used to sit back and say, like, who came up with this stuff?
Right.
Why do we